Welcome to our channel. For your viewing pleasure.
Well, this came in the mail today. What is this, you say? Well, I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. So I guess we should probably open it. Okay, so we have our box. Let's see what's in it. We're going to have to cut the little packing stuff. Alrighty then. Now for the opening. What could it be? Okay. It looks like we have something for a computer, obviously. Maybe, I don't know what that's for. Maybe, that gives it power. Oh, it's got a little card. It's an SD card. So, this right here, that's that one part. And, here we go. Does anybody know what this is? This is my brand new, already assembled, ready to go 3D printer. The brand is right there. It's a Monoprice, and I guess we're going to have to set it up and see if it works. Looks pretty simple. What else is in the box? What's this? Ooh. What does that say? A snack? Oh. No, don't eat these, children. Trust me, they don't taste good. All right, I'm going to get to plugging it in. And I've already got some software downloaded on one of my laptops. We're going to see if it actually works. Look at this. My new printer is printing something out. It's a test file, so I don't know what it's going to come out with. I'm hoping it's a pony, but we will see. Look at him go.